fan gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. Today's video is going to be a wig install on this hair that I got from Ashimary Hair. If you're interested in finding out more about this wig, definitely stay tuned. Let's get straight into the unboxing. So this hair is from Ashimary and it will come in this blue teal type of satin satchel, and you will get a nude wig cap, a black wig cap, as well as false nails. You'll also get a custom Ashimary elastic band, an edge brush, 3D eyelashes, an eyebrow razor, and then of course the unit. This unit is 13 by 4 lace front wig. It's 28 inches. It's in the color copper brown number 35, which is like a chocolate copper brown. It's 180% density. It has 4 combs as well as adjustable straps, and it just looks perfect. So after washing the unit and adjusting the straps, this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to apply that to my head after I cut the lace. Alright, so once I put it on my head, I already know I wanted a C part, so I already carved out that C, and now I'm just gonna work on the edges. Okay, so I'm gonna take from 2 different places on the frontal, which are both going to be seen right here in the front and on the side. The other side I'm not going to focus too much on because it is not going to be showing. Like, if the hair is already down, I don't see any point of like just going in and extra styling it when I'm just walking out the door and I'm not doing too much, so nobody's going to see it. So again, I'm just carving out the edges, and these are the 2 spots that I wanted. Then I'm gonna use this what is that called again? This is the hair wax stick, and I'm using that to kind of lay it down before I hot comb it. It just helps it to not frizz up and to stay in place and look more slick. As you can see that looks way more slick. Okay, so then after that, I'm just like, alright, I'm gonna cut it with the razor, because I want it, like, you know, just, I don't want it to be too straight across the cut. Then I went in and I curled the edges, and then I sprayed the edge brush with Got To Be Glued spray, and then I just mold them. Okay, so I'm just doing 2 swoops, and then that extra little lace in the front, I'm also going to spray that, and then I'm going to put on the elastic band, and this is what it looks like once the elastic band comes off. So I am back, and this is the finished result. I absolutely love my hair. The color is absolutely gorgeous. So this hair is from Ashimary Hair. The name of this wig is the Copper Brown Wig Deep Wave Frontal Wig Luxurious Customization. That is the name of the wig, okay? But let me break it down and give you the details on this unit. So it is 28 inches. It is 180% density. This is a number 35 chocolate brown. The cap size on this unit is medium. If you would like a small or a large, you definitely have to request it. They do carry those sizes, but you have to get in contact with them. The information is on the site, and it'll give you their email if you want to get a larger cap or a smaller cap. Okay, but the regular cap, if you are going to buy this unit, is going to come medium. Mine is medium. I have a small head, but I would say I definitely think that it runs a little bigger. Put the adjustable straps on like really tight so that it would fit snug on my head. So if you are small, if you have a small head, you could definitely just go with the medium. If you're wondering about the shipping was really quick. It's like 3 to 5 business days or 3 to 4 business days before it ships, and then it comes to you in like 2 days. So I got it really fast in under a week. This is supposed to be 100% Brazilian hair. So if you're wondering what texture it is Brazilian hair. The wig life on this unit is 6 to 18 months with care. Okay, so if you don't know what you're doing, girl, it's not gonna last as long, but if you handle your wig with care, you're going to get a longer wig life. Based on this unit is a medium brown Swiss lace, and I would say that it is thick, but I sprayed the got to be glued on it and laid it down. It was able to sit. I just didn't spray a lot because, you know, when I'm doing like a side part, you're not going to see the whole entire front. I tend to focus more on the side that you're going to see. So that's why you didn't see me like going too hard on this side, because you're not going to see it. It's underneath. So the shedding is very minimal. I would say I didn't even really experience any shedding when I was washing the hair. To wash the hair, I just used Tresemme products, the conditioner and a shampoo, and I use like a creamy shampoo just because of the color. I just want to take care of it a little bit more. So you could use a shampoo and a conditioner that has like more of a creamy consistency, and you could also use a shampoo and a conditioner for colored hair. When I was washing the hair did bleed a little bit, but but the color did not come out. As you can see, it is still like this reddish brown. It is really, really pretty. It's giving me full vibes. There is no matting, there is no tangling. I have not been experiencing any of those. The hair, I wouldn't say it could be I don't think you could bleach it, but I do think you could color it if you want it to be a darker color. But so they say that the hair can be flat ironed and it would revert. With this type of pattern, I definitely don't see myself flat ironing it. I love it just like this in its natural state. I don't have any extra products in the hair. This is how the hair looks after it was washed, conditioned, and left to air dry. So I think it is gorgeous. The 180% density on the 28 inches is just in my opinion. Okay, see how long it is. Oh my god, I love this length. This is like my favorite length ever. Okay, and as you can see, it is full. I'm gonna turn to the back. This is what it looks like, and in the back it comes down to the middle of my butt, and it is very, very full. So far so good. I'm absolutely in love with this hair. Like, it is just so gorgeous. I love how this install came out. It is just so pretty on my brown skin. If I had to give this hair a rating, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I'm so in love with this unit. If you have any questions for me, y'all definitely let me know down in the comments. I will definitely get back to you. I will have all the links to this hair, Ashimary Hair, down in the bottom bar, just in case you want to check them out. Every link will be there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you to my next video. Bye, y'all.